Global stock markets slide as President Trump's Liberation Day looms. It's Monday 31st March and here's what you need to know. Well, in Japan, the Nikkei slid to an 8-month low. South Korean stocks fell almost 3%. European shares open trading very sharply lower. And US futures are pointing to yet another negative open. Investors seem to have fled any risky bets as President Trump said that tariffs would target all countries. This has led to fears that an economic slowdown across the world is round the corner and sent gold to yet another record high. Our number of the day is $3,148. That was the peak that gold hit earlier today. In fact, it's on for its best quarterly performance since 1986. Over the past 3 months, it's risen around 18%. And it's not alone. Other metals like platinum, palladium and silver are all set for monthly gains. Meanwhile, the dollar eased again against all its major rivals. President Trump is, quote, pissed off with President Putin. The US president indicated that he would impose 25 to 50% secondary tariffs on buyers of Russian oil if he feels that Moscow is blocking his efforts to stop the war in Ukraine. He told NBC News that he was very angry with President Putin after he criticised the credibility of President Vladimir Zelensky's leadership. Our chart of the day is Brent crude. Well, despite that warning from President Trump, oil prices actually eased in early trade before edging slightly into positive territory. In fact, both of the main benchmarks are heading for monthly falls and are set to post their first quarterly loss in 2 quarters. Our stock of the day takes us to the UK. It's Associated British Foods, the owner of the fast fashion chain Primark. Paul Marchant, he's been at the helm of Primark since 2009, but has been forced to resign after allegations from a woman about his behaviour. He has admitted an error of judgment. Now, don't forget that half of AB Foods' profits come from Primark, and shares this morning are sharply lower. And that's what you need to know this morning.